One of the things that can make us look much older than we are is when our teeth are not as white as they could be, both for your physical health and self-esteem. And truly, there are hundreds, literally hundreds of products on the market to help you whiten and brighten your smile. But I'm going to be sharing my absolute favorite teeth whitening product with you in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. As I said, I have done numerous videos on tooth whitening, teeth whitening products because there are so very, very many. And I'm an absolute fanatic about having clean white teeth. I always have been ever since I was a teenager. So believe me when I tell you, if there is a product on the market that is for tooth whitening, I've tried it. Whitening toothbrushes, whitening toothpaste, whitening dental rinses, all the way up to professional teeth whitening treatments from the dentist. Now, I've talked about this product before in several tooth whitening videos that I've done, but the company behind the product asked me if I would do a deep dive for them and supplied yet another kit for me to test out. So I really do appreciate them doing that, and I'm happy to talk about this because it's something that I actually use, have purchased myself, and it works extremely well. The product is called Love Your Teeth, and it helps to whiten your teeth 7 shades in 7 days. There's a big difference between this product and several of the more expensive ones that you've seen out on the market, say like the Snow product, and a big, huge difference in ease of use as compared to these whitening strips. And this product comes with really detailed instructions, though it's so simple. I call it super stupid simple because you're simply going to be snapping a vial of peroxide, applying it to your teeth, and then applying a light like this for 10 minutes every day in order to get your smile 7 shades whiter in 7 days. Nothing could be simpler. Now, if you decide to use this product, you need to come back to this video and let me know that you did and what your experience was with it down below in the video description box. But I want to talk a little bit about what you get. First, obviously, you're going to get a set of instructions that you need to follow. Again, very, very simple, but there are some particular things you need to know about cleansing of the device so that you don't get part of it wet, and also how to apply the peroxide mixture properly to your teeth. You also get this little chart that shows you where your tooth color actually starts and where it finishes. So you put the date on it, you match the color of the tooth. It's kind of transparent material. And then after 7 days of treatments, you come back and match your teeth up to where they are on the chart. And it will be several shades whiter. So you get this blue LED light device with the kit right here, and the instructions again are even on this portion of the package. And you get the vial sets that you're going to use to apply to your teeth to get them whiter. So again, this whole process is so simple and easy to do. First, you brush your teeth as you normally would. Then you take the vial and turn it around, and there's a cloth tip on one end of it. You simply snap that, which allows the peroxide inside to reach that little cloth tip. Then you simply apply it to the surface of your teeth. And you're going to be very thorough and take your time, a minute or two, to apply the peroxide to all areas of the teeth that you're wanting to whiten. Then you simply turn on the blue LED light and you wear it for 10 minutes. Rinse. At the end of 10 minutes, you're completely done. You rinse the device off and put it away for the next use. And your teeth are whiter. My teeth are actually whiter just from this one use. This Love Your Teeth kit is reasonably priced, especially when you compare it to like products on the market that run $200 to $300 a kit. Just ridiculous prices for some of these teeth whitening kits. This one, reasonable. It works. It's safe on your enamel. It does not irritate your gums. And I'm very happy with the results I get and the way that I'm able to maintain this bright white smile. Now, if you're interested in trying out Love Your Teeth, I will put a specialized link down below in the video description box like I always do, so you can go and check it out for yourself, and be sure to come back and let us know here in the comments on this video how this product worked out for you. And for even more ways on how to roll back the clock on how you look, be sure and check out this video that is coming up next. It will be a great help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful, and I will see you with your whiter smile over on that next video.